benchmarks the entire 2-year program under the ChangeMakers. So InnoFest is really a very important event, but it's actually a program, right, that allows you to really do and practice what SST is all about. It's about being an innovator, right, and not innovating for the sake of just innovating, but innovating to try to solve some real-world problem with this solution.
Yeah, so it's my first time working with schools. I have previously worked on competitions with university, but this is my first time with a school. And I thought what was really interesting was the way to approaching the problems was very similar, and I was really impressed with the way that the students approached the different types of problems they were addressing through model making and the different working prototypes they had, from the concept, the problem, and establishing what the problem was, but really the whole framework of how to create a project and deliver it from all different disciplines I thought was really, really impressive. One of the first things was the teams were very, very confident in their presentation, so the pitching of their ideas was really, really incredible. A couple of the projects were really fantastic working prototypes, and I thought that's really impressive, and for me personally, and I think when you're developing something, it's really important to understand how it's going to work by trying something and making something physical with your own hands and trying to pull all the different technologies or ideas together. And I think that was very impressive from a couple of the teams, particularly Gateway and Drop, who really established what their problem was, their area they were wanting to work in, but also demonstrating that through physical models, which is really, really important to showing your solution to a problem. I really look forward to chatting with the students personally and really thinking about how they are thinking about the problem. From my perspective today, I was on a judging panel, seeing what the end result was and what the pitch was and what the solution was. But it'd be really interesting to see through the process of design and development the way that the team are thinking about their problem and how they're coming to their solution, because often there's many different ways to get to the end result.
It's our honor to be part of this very interesting project, this InnoFest, and I think through our conversation and engagement with the students, I'm actually very amazed by the amount of creativity that they have put into this project, and they are able to address our concerns or issues that we face on the ground as a humanitarian organization. I mean, they tried to come up with solutions that affect flood, and which is a common disaster happening in this region. So looking at their proposed projects, even innovative products, I think I'm very, very sure we have a very bright future in Singapore. I think the very first thing that strikes me when I see them, because as part of this project they need to present it to us, is their confidence. They are very confident in delivering, and they are convinced of what they are proposing is something that can solve the problem. I think that's something that I can see, and it also shows us a lot of thought processes that goes through this whole program, because we throw in lots of hard and difficult questions and they're able to address them confidently, and it shows that they really think through from A to Z on what the challenges and how the issues can be solved. It's a good start for more collaboration, even a bigger collaboration in the humanitarian sector. I think we are also looking into innovative products, solutions to current situations, and through such collaboration with SST, I think there's a big opportunity for us to work together, and maybe perhaps the students can come up with new things addressing current situations that we are facing in this moment.